So today we're going to be making slime. And always make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into it. So first what you need is glue. White glue. Gotta get that right, guys. We gotta open it. Then we got at least to pour all of the stuff. Not all of it.
Well, not all of it, but I gotta like put that just like that.
Then that's good. And then it's your turn, just like that.
But don't put that much. It depends how much you want is the first. So then you put the cap on. But okay, so then I'm gonna pick blue.
I'm gonna pick pink.
Okay.
This is glow in the dark glue.
Yep, glow in the dark.
You don't change colors when it goes.
Yep.
Take it. And then pour it in. Pour it in.
I already used some of this, so
It's kind of hard to get out.
yeah. We might. There you go. Or you can just make white slime with all that. Then you can just put that.
Or you can put just regular coloring in.
Yep.
Because that's all you can add.
Okay,
Just
I
add a little bit.
two more. There we go.
And then mix those two glues together.
Okay, done. Okay, now we're gonna mix these out together. Shouldn't have got this big of a bowl.
Okay, not add any more.
No. So guys, all that matters is if all of the contact solution, because if you add really too much contact solution or too much baking soda,
It'll start to get hard.
yeah, it'll start to get hard once you like first get it and make it. So that's all that matters about. But the glue and the both of the glues,
They don't really matter.
they don't really matter. But these two right here matter a lot.
These matter. Super. If
But
you add too much contact solution, it'll get hard right after you start playing with it. But if you add too much baking soda, it'll get hard the next day. So
yeah. But you don't want your slime ruined. But then
yeah. Now you have to add baking soda.
still.
Just some.
Don't put that much baking soda. You just put like that much baking soda in it.
And then you can always add more if you need more.
See, it'll start getting harder to, the glue will start getting harder to like stir, but since mine's big, you can just just like pick it up. What are you laughing?
Don't know.
You gotta like pick it up, then you gotta try to, then if it's getting not that sticky, you have to like put more baking soda in it.
I'm gonna put some. Okay.
put
After
more
we have to
baking
put
soda.
contact solution.
What you put in your eyes? Right there.
You need a lot of contact solution. Well, not so much that that it will get hard. And then you have to mix it
See guys, look at my slime. It's starting
to get like this.
Yeah.
Clump together.
See?
That's a kind of clump together. And
That
kind
doesn't
of
really
form into
matter.
a ball.
But it doesn't really matter because it doesn't really matter because like you can always make more if you mess up. Like on my first time making slime was like 2,000 more days ago. I messed up on my first trim, but I kept on going. And I keep on going and keep on going, and I finally made it. Yep, it's my help. See, look, guys, it's starting to get more thinner. Now I can add the contact solution. Let me just.
I already added the contact solution.
Cool.
And then when you're at like this, where I'm at, you can start going in with your hands.
I need to add the contact. Long shot.
The long shot with the contact solution.
There we go. Stir. See, guys, it's starting to get more thicker and stuff. So look, guys, it's starting to get way more thicker. Also, it's starting to get more like thinner and stuff. Oh, my hands are so tired. Then if you didn't get all the stuff from the box, you can always get it and put it in there.
And then when you're at like where I'm at, you can start playing with it and start like.
She made like 1,000 slime.
I made like a lot of slime. And you can like crack it. This. You can twirl it. And you can click it. And then yours is ready to go.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. Sometimes the contact solution comes out sometimes, but
I think
not
it's
all the
good.
time.
I don't care about that.
Okay.
All I care about is you guys.
Yep.
Don't forget to hit. Don't forget.
To hit subscribe and comment and also like and turn on the post notifications.
Do it right now!